Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions from some applications of trigonometry. Let's begin with the first problem. You can see the problem over there. In the following figure, AB perpendicular to BC and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Given that BC is equal to square root of 300 meters, find the length of AB. So let me draw the right angle triangle here also again. Angle B is right angle and its opposite side is hypotenuse. Here angle theta value is 30 degree. For angle opposite side is opposite and this side is adjacent side. Okay. They have given BC is equal to square root of 300 meters. Find the length of AB. For any problem from this chapter, you try to imagine the picture or try to frame the right triangle and then solve the problem. Now, I need to find this one. Angle is here, opposite, adjacent, I am talking. So, what is the trigonometric ratio come across opposite and adjacent? Tan theta or cot theta. There is no confusion. Either you may use tan theta, you get the same answer. And cot theta, if you use, same answer you are going to get. Let's do the problem here. Tan theta value is 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite AB by adjacent BC. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. AB, we don't know AB. AB by BC. BC is square root of 300. This square root of 300 send other side. Square root of 300 by root 3. AB is equal to square root of 300, you can write it as 10 root 3. Square root of 300 can be split as 100 into 3. Where 100 is a perfect square, we can write it as 10 and root 3 as it is. So finally it is 10 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 will be cancelled. You are left with 10 meters. Check your answer. Option A, 10 meters. First one, option A, 10 meters. Second one, if a vertical pole of length 6 meters casts a shadow 4 meter long of the ground and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long, then the height of the tower is. Let's draw the figure here. A vertical pole and this is a building. These are the shadows. Okay, pole and building are perpendicular. A vertical pole of height 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long. From here to here it is shadow. And at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meters. This is 28 meters. Then find the height of the tower. Let me mark here A, B, C, D, E. Now observe the figure carefully. Pole is perpendicular, building is also perpendicular to the ground. Then you can see two right triangles. Compare the two right triangles here. 90 degree and this is a common angle. For the two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles of two triangles are equal. So what we can say, the two triangles are similar. If they are similar, we can equate their ratios and say ratios are in proportion. So, which ratios will equate, children? This one. DC by AB is equal to DE by BE. DC by AB. DE by BE. DC value is 6. AB we don't know. DE 4 and this is 28. 4 7s are 28. Then AB is on this side. AB is equal to 7 6 are 42 meters. What is the height of the building? 42 meters. Check the option. Which option is right? Option A, 42 meters. Third problem. The ratio of the lengths of a tree and its shadow. This is a shadow. The ratio of lengths of a tree and its shadow. 1 is to 1 by root 3. Then what is the angle of elevation of sun? Sun. We need to find the angle of elevation of sun. Angle of elevation. This angle we need to find. What is angle of elevation? Line of sight and horizontal line. The angle so formed is called as the angle of elevation. How can we find this? This is which ratio? Opposite, adjacent. Again I take it as tan theta. I don't know the angle. Let me take it as theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Bring it up. How you can bring? Do the reciprocal and multiply. 1 by root 3. Reciprocal is root 3 by 1. Root 3 into 1 will be root 3. Tan theta is equal to root 3. In tan table, where you get root 3? Tan 60. Write that one. Tan 60. Now, what is your theta value? Theta value is 60 degree. Therefore, the angle of elevation of sun is 60 degree. Which option is right here? Option C, 60 degree. Fourth one, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. This is a tower and this is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from the point on a ground is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. 30 meters away from the foot of the tower of height 10 root 3 meters. Here we need to find the angle of elevation from a point on the ground. Angle of elevation from a point on the ground to the top of a building. And the point is 30 meters away from the building and height of the building is 10 root 3 meters. Observe, angle is here, opposite, adjacent. Whatever figure we get here, all will be right angled triangles. Building will be perpendicular, right? So it is a right triangle. We are talking with opposite and adjacent. Let me take again. Tan theta. Opposite 10 root 3 by adjacent 30. Cancel this one. 10 3 is a 30. And here root 3 by 3. 3 you can split it as root 3 into root 3. Do you know this? Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. So that 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 cancel. 1 by root 3. In tan ratio, where you get 1 by root 3? 30 degree. Therefore, what is your theta value? Angle of elevation is 30 degree. And your option is option C, 30 degree. Fifth one, the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. Point viewed is above the horizontal level. Then what is that angle? Angle of elevation. Below the horizontal level, angle of depression. So for this question, what is your answer? Angle of elevation. Which option it is? Option C, angle of elevation. Sixth one, if altitude of a sun is 60 degree. Okay. Angle, it is 60 degree. The height of a tower which casts a shadow of length 30 meters is, what is the height of a tower? And this tower casts a shadow. What is the length of the shadow? 30 meters. Okay, we need to find the height of the tower. See, observe the angle is here. We need to find opposite. We know adjacent. Which ratio? Again tan theta. Tan 60 is equal to opposite. We don't know. Let me write any other letters and perpendicular. AB by BC. Tan 60 value is root 3. AB. BC is 30. Send this side. AB is equal to 30 root 3 meters is the height of the building. Observe which option is right here. Option A, 30 root 3 meters. Seventh one, the ratio of the length of a pole and its shadow. The ratio of a length of a pole and its shadow is how much? 1 is to root 3. The angle of elevation of sun is, again observe here, your angle is here, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Why 1 by root 3? Opposite by adjacent. So tan theta 1 by root 3. Where you get 1 by root 3? In tan 30 degree. Therefore, you can write theta is equal to 30 degree. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Therefore, theta is 30 degree. Which option is the right option here? Option C, 30 degree. Eighth question, a ladder of 10 meter length touches a wall at height of 5 meter. Okay, look here. Imagine this as a wall. Ladder. A ladder of length 10 meters touches a wall. Ladder touching the wall. That means it is leaning the wall at a height of 5 meters. What is the height from the ground level? It is 5 meters. What do you need to calculate? The angle of elevation. We need to find the angle theta made by the horizontal line. This is a horizontal line and the angle here is theta. This is perpendicular. We need to find this angle. Observe here. Again, opposite hypotenuse is given here. Which ratio? Opposite hypotenuse, sine ratio. Sine theta is equal to opposite. Opposite is 5. Hypotenuse is 10. Cancel this one. 1, 5 2s are 10. Sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. Where you get in trigonometry ratio table 1 by 2? Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. That means theta is equal to 30 degree. Check the option. Which is your right answer here? Option D, 30 degree. Ninth one, the measure of angle of elevation of top of tower 75 root 3 meter high. This is tower 75 root 3 meter high. From a point at a distance of 75, from a point, this is a point, from a distance of 75 meter from the foot of the tower in a horizontal plane is, what is the measure of this angle is your question. So we are talking here tower. Tower is perpendicular. Opposite, adjacent. Opposite, adjacent, which ratio? Tan ratio. Like that, tan theta is equal to opposite 75 root 3 by adjacent 75. 75 cancel. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Root 3 where do you get? Tan 60 degree. That means angle from the point, angle of elevation towards the building is 60 degree. Option B, 60 degrees is your answer. 10th one, a pole 6 meter high. A pole 6 meter high casts a shadow. This is the shadow of a pole 2 root 3 meter long on a ground. Then the sun's elevation is. Sun's elevation means you need to find the angle. Let me mark this as a theta. And we know here again same manner, opposite adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite 6 by adjacent 2 root 3. 2 3s are 6. This 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3 by root 3, root 3, root 3 cancel. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Where you get root 3? Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Therefore, the sun's angle of elevation is 60 degree. Your option is C. Option C, 60 degree. 11th question. A pole 10 meter high casts a shadow 10 meter long on the ground Then the sun's elevation is, you can see a right angle triangle here. A pole height is 10 meter and its shadow is also 10 meter. Then what is the sun's angle? Let us assume this angle as theta. Opposite adjacent, which trigonometry ratio? Tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. 10 ones are 10. That means in trigonometric ratio table, where you get 1? In tan row, where you get 1? At tan 45. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. Sun's angle is 45 degree, which is your right option. B. B 45 degrees is your right answer. 12th one. If the altitude of the sun is 60 degree, altitude of the sun is 60 degree, the height of the tower which casts a shadow of length 30 meter. Observe here, they are asking height of the tower. Height of the tower casts a shadow of length 30 meters. Shadow length is 30 meter. What is the height of the tower? We are talking here about opposite adjacent. And tower is perpendicular. Tan ratio, tan 60 degree. Theta value is given 60 degree is equal to opposite. Let me take AB. Opposite AB by adjacent. You know adjacent value 30 meter. Tan 60 value is root 3. AB by 30. AB is equal to 30 root 3 meters is the height of the tower. See the correct option in this? Option A, 30 root 3 meters. In this chapter, almost all questions we deal with a right angle triangle. Either opposite missing, adjacent missing or hypotenuse missing, or the angle is missing. We need to calculate the missing one. Okay. See the next one, 13th one. If the ratio of height of a tower, ratio of height of a tower and length of its shadow. What is the ratio of this? Root 3 is to 1 given. Then the angle of elevation of the sun is, this angle we need to find. Again same manner, opposite adjacent given. Tan theta is equal to opposite root 3 by adjacent 1. Root 3 by 1 value is root 3. In trigonometric ratio table, tan theta, where you get root 3 at tan 60 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. And your option is option A, 60 degrees. Coming to 14th question, the length of the string of a kite. We are talking here about a kite. Okay. The length of the string of a kite flying at 100 meters above the ground with the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. What is the length of the string? You can see a kite here. Kite is 100 meters above the ground level. The string is from here. From this point, you can see the string. You need to find the length of the string. Angle so formed through the string is 60 degree. We need to find the length of the string. You can see a right angle triangle again. Angle is here, opposite and hypotenuse. We are talking here about opposite and hypotenuse. Which ratio? Sine ratio. Sine theta value is 60. Sine 60 degree is equal to opposite by, let's take letters here. Hypotenuse is AC. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2. 100 by AC. AC is equal to 100 into 2 by root 3. That is 200 by root 3 meters. We cannot cancel this one. Check the right option here. Option C, 200 by root 3 meters. 15th question. The length of the shadow of a 20-meter tall pole. Pole length is 20 meter. The length of the shadow of a 20-meter tall pole on the ground when the sun's elevation is 45 degree. What is the shadow of the pole is your question. Pole is right angle here. Now, again we are talking about opposite and adjacent. Tan 45 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. See here, when you have the angle 45 degree, no need of writing anything. What you have opposite, same you can say adjacent. Or you can write like this, 20 by BC, tan 45 value is 1. 1 is equal to 20 by BC. BC is equal to 20 meters. What is the shadow formed by 20 meter height pole? 20 meter itself. Check the right option here. Option A, 20 meter. 16th problem. When the angle of elevation of sun is 30 degree. Angle of elevation. When we talk about elevation, we need line of sight and horizontal line. Angle of sun's elevation is given 30 degree. And what is the length of shadow cast by 50 meter high building? AB is a building. You can see opposite and adjacent. We need to calculate adjacent. Which trigonometric ratio? Tan. And your theta is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by BC. Send this BC this side and root 3 that side. BC is equal to 50 root 3 meters. Check the option. Your option is option B, 50 root 3 meters. 17th one. If AB is equal to 4 meter and AC is equal to 8 meters. You can see the picture over there. The angle of elevation of A as observed from C. Look here. This is a right triangle A, B, C. And AB length is 4 meter. AC length is 8 meters. Then the angle of elevation of A as observed from C. You need to find this angle. Observe what you can see in a right triangle. Angle is here. Opposite hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse sine ratio. Sine theta or sine C you can say. Theta also you can use or C you can write. Sine C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. 4 ones, 4 twos. Sine C is equal to 1 by 2. In trigonometric ratio table, where you get 1 by 2? Sine 30 degree. Therefore, this angle C is equal to 30 degree. Check the correct option here. Option B, 30 degrees is your answer. 18th one. If the angle of depression of an object from a 75 meter high tower is 30 degree. This is tower 75 meter and from the top of a tower, the angle of depression to the object. Object is here. Understand carefully the problem. The angle of depression. What is angle of depression? It is an angle formed between line of sight and a horizontal line. Okay. The angle of depression is always below the horizontal line. Whereas angle of elevation is above the horizontal line. This is angle of depression. What is the depression angle given here? 30 degree. Then the distance of the object from the base of a tower. This is the base of a tower. What is the distance from the object to the base of a tower? So, depression angle. Though if they give you depression angle, we can convert into elevation angle. How? Look here. This horizontal line and the ground horizontal line will be parallel. These two lines are parallel. Then this acts as a transversal. And this angle is alternate to this angle. Finished. Now, depression angle I have written in the form of elevation and I solve the problem now. So, forget about this one. Horizontal line and depression angle, you just forget. And just go only with the right triangle. You can see the tower 75-meter high. We are talking here, angle is here, opposite, and what is this distance we need to calculate? Opposite, adjacent. Tan ratio, tan 30 degree is equal to opposite 75 by adjacent BC. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, 75 by BC. Cross multiply this one, BC is equal to 75 root 3 meters. What is the distance from the object to the foot of the tower? 75 root 3 meters. Check the option. Option C. Option C, 75 root 3 meters. 19th one, the ratio of the length of a rod and its shadow. Rod and its shadow. Rod is perpendicular. Okay. Ratio is 1 is to root 3 given. Then the angle of elevation of sun is, observe here, opposite, adjacent. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. In tan, where you get 1 by root 3? Tan 30 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree. Check the option. Option A, 30 degree is your answer. Coming to your last problem, 20th one. A tree casts a shadow. Tree casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree. What is the height of the tree in meters? See, if you see in your right triangle 45 degree angle, immediately you can say opposite equal to adjacent. Why? Tan 45 value is 1. So adjacent is 4 meter. Then opposite will be 4 meter. Or you can go with like this also you can go. And if I take tree is tree height AB, shadow BC. AB by BC value you know. 1 is equal to AB by 4. 4 into 1, 4. AB is equal to 4 meters. Therefore, the height of the tree is 4 meters. So check the option. Which option is right? Option B, 4 meter. So with this, we have completed 20 multiple choice questions, children. And still 5 more questions are provided here. This question paper link I am going to provide in the description box. You can solve again all the questions and check the answers. Okay, we are going to meet in our next session with another new chapter. Until then, keep watching. Thank you all.